Taking a look at today's equity index futures markets, let's look at the S&P 500 futures as they're moving higher once again today. S&P 500 futures trading higher for a fifth consecutive session. Today we're looking at the futures market pushing up to the highest level in just over a month, currently priced at 56.25, just shy of the intraday highs and up just under 1% on the session. Driving factors today, I think a couple things as we move into a new week. Economic forecasts continue to indicate that there's a sense that the U.S. is going to avoid a recession, as that was some of the concern with the market here of the last few weeks and provided some of the selling pressure. But now we're seeing continued forecasts for growth maintaining. And you look at the recent data points, and I think that that's contributing to some of the higher price action as well, along with interest rates moving lower. We are seeing the back end of the curve moving lower once again today, and I think that that's helping to support the equity markets as we're seeing a shifting dynamic as we have a lot of Fed speak this week, highlighted by Chairman Powell's speech at the end of the week in Jackson Hole. But overall, it does appear that we are seeing, again, what appears to be a shifting dynamic within the central bank activity and the belief that the Fed will cut rates in September. And all this is leading to, again, higher price action really in the equity markets and pretty much across the board today. When you look at the S&P 500 futures, we are moving up to the highest level in just over a month and less than 2% away from those all-time highs that we did see in the middle of July before the selling pressure took us down to some of the lowest levels over the last 3 months. But now with this most recent run-up, we're seeing the futures markets moving back towards those recent highs. And also when you look at the other major equity index futures markets today, higher across the board. We're seeing the NASDAQ up over 1%, as well as the Russell futures. And the in Dow futures up 75 basis points. So pretty strong Monday here to start this week on the heels of some strength last week. S&P 500 futures higher for a fifth consecutive session.